Today I am reviewing the ATEX 64GB kit RAM for ASUS TUF Gaming F15. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. A lot of people automatically think about upgrading the processor or graphics card when they want more performance. But for laptops, memory upgrades are often one of the most noticeable improvements you can make, especially if your system is starting to struggle with multitasking, gaming while running background applications, content creation, or heavier workloads. This ATEX kit includes a massive 64GB configuration using two 32GB DDR4 modules running at up to 2,933 MHz, specifically designed for compatible ASUS TUF Gaming F15 models, including FX506, FX506LH, FX506Li, and FX506Lu. So the real question is simple. Does upgrading to 64GB actually make sense? And who is this upgrade really for? Let's talk about it. First, let's look at what you're getting. Inside the package are two 32GB DDR4 SO-DIMM modules. Together, they create a total memory capacity of 64GB. These use the laptop standard 260-pin SO-DIMM format and operate at 2,933 MHz with a 1.2-volt configuration. The memory follows standard JEDEC specifications and uses a non-ECC unbuffered design. What that means in practical terms is simple. This memory is built to work efficiently in supported consumer laptop systems without requiring manual tuning or advanced setup. And because this kit is specifically targeted toward compatible ASUS TUF Gaming F15 models, installation should feel more straightforward compared to guessing compatibility between random memory modules. Now let's talk about the biggest reason people upgrade RAM: real-world responsiveness. Memory directly affects how much your system can actively work on at the same time. When memory becomes limited, your laptop starts relying more heavily on storage to temporarily manage workloads. That can make switching between applications feel slower and create a less responsive experience. Moving to 64GB creates a huge amount of breathing room. You can keep more browser tabs open, run communication apps, work with larger files, stream while gaming, edit content, manage virtual environments, and switch between tasks with fewer interruptions. For productivity users, the difference becomes noticeable surprisingly quickly. Now let's talk gaming. Since this upgrade targets the ASUS TUF Gaming F15 lineup, gaming is naturally one of the biggest use cases. It's important to set expectations correctly. Adding RAM does not magically transform graphics performance. Your GPU remains the biggest factor for frame rates. But memory upgrades can still improve the overall experience. Games load alongside background applications more comfortably. Multitasking during gameplay feels smoother. Streaming becomes easier. And system responsiveness during larger gaming sessions improves. If you're the type of user who keeps Discord open, runs game launchers, streams music, records gameplay, or keeps browsers active while gaming, additional memory can create a noticeably smoother experience. But gaming isn't the only scenario where 64GB starts making sense. Content creators may benefit as well. Video editing, large photo libraries, creative software, heavy browser workflows, large spreadsheets, virtual machines, development environments. All of these can take advantage of expanded memory capacity. Even if you don't use all 64GB immediately, having overhead available means your system is less likely to feel restricted as workloads increase. Another area where this kit stands out is installation. Memory upgrades are often one of the easiest laptop upgrades available. ATEX specifically highlights simple at-home installation with no specialized expertise required. For many users, that means removing the back panel, locating the memory slots, installing the modules correctly, and allowing the system to recognize the upgrade. Of course, checking your laptop manual and confirming compatibility before installation is always a good idea. ATEX also emphasizes quality control testing across its modules. That matters because memory stability affects the entire experience. Reliable RAM contributes to smoother operation, consistent performance, and fewer unexpected issues during everyday use. The included limited lifetime warranty adds another layer of confidence for long-term ownership. That's especially valuable because memory upgrades are often purchases intended to last through multiple years of use. One thing I appreciate about upgrades like this is that they extend the life of existing hardware. Instead of replacing an entire laptop, adding more memory can help keep your current machine useful for longer. That's often a smarter value decision than jumping into a full replacement immediately. Now let's talk about who should actually consider this kit. This upgrade makes the most sense for users with compatible ASUS TUF Gaming F15 systems who multitask heavily, gamers who stream, students running multiple applications, content creators, power users, developers, and people who want additional headroom for future workloads. If your usage is mostly browsing and occasional office work, 64 gigabytes may be more than necessary. But if you regularly push your system harder, the extra capacity can become extremely valuable. Overall, the ASUS 64 GB DDR4 Upgrade Kit delivers exactly what a good memory upgrade should. Strong compatibility for supported systems, high capacity, straightforward installation, reliable operation, and the ability to give an existing laptop a noticeable improvement in multitasking and responsiveness. If your ASUS TUF Gaming F15 is starting to feel limited and you want to unlock more breathing room without replacing the whole machine, this upgrade is absolutely worth considering.